Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my natural hair. I'm going to show you guys how I prep it for a protective style. Y'all ready? These braids were crusty and dusty and they desperately needed to be taken down so I could wash this scalp because y'all, look it, I got some extra thread hanging in there for my protective style. It was a hot mess. So let's go ahead and detangle. Much better. I just wanted to show you guys how much hair I lose from taking out my braids. Now this is not the only amount of hair that I'm going to be losing. I'm probably going to lose 3 times that just by washing and conditioning my hair. Which, speaking of that, it is time to go ahead and hop in the shower. These are the products that I'm going to be using today. I have been obsessed with these herbal essences, shampoo and conditioner. It smells amazing. There's no sulfate. The conditioner has amazing slip. And for the deep conditioner, I'm using the Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint. It's one of my favorites and I was just about out, so I figured I would use the rest up on this wash and style. Once I get out of the shower, I will be right back to show you guys how I prep my hair for a protective style. Once I have applied the deep conditioner and an oil to seal everything in, I go ahead and add a little plastic shower cap thing and I wrap my hair in a satin scarf. And because I was going to keep this in overnight, I also added my bonnet because sometimes I sleep a little crazy and I didn't want to get any deep conditioner on my pillow. So now we're going to go ahead and move on into the next day, and this is what my hair is looking like after I have rinsed out my deep conditioner. The curls are popping. My hair was super duper soft. I was obsessed. I loved it and I kind of just wanted to like play in my hair for a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and get into the portion of this video where I'm going to be prepping my hair for a protective style. I'm showing you guys all of the products that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, tie those up so we can go ahead and start blow drying. Most of the time when I'm going to be working with braiding hair, I like to blow out my natural hair just so that it matches and mimics the texture of the braiding hair, so that way we don't have any like, you know, clockable moments. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to look like this is coming from the scalp, even though we know it's not, but we still got to give that illusion. You know what I'm saying? So with each section, I'm going to be spraying on a heat protectant and also a spray and leave-in conditioner. I don't like going in with any heavy leave-in creams or anything like that when I'm going to be blow drying. And I also try to be light-handed when I'm spraying product into my hair because I don't want it to dampen my hair even more, because that just makes the blowout process a lot longer than it needs to be. And then I'm going to comb through my hair, make sure that all the product is evenly distributed, and we're going to blow dry. And I always try to blow dry facing down instead of every which way. It really helps keep your hair detangled, which saves a lot of hassle in the end. So once I blow dried that section, I'm gonna go in with my DIY whipped shea butter. This was the first time that I made it, and I did it a little bit different, so it re-solidified. But once I warm it up in my hands, it kind of comes back to life. And I'm just going to glide that over my hair and make sure that it's well distributed throughout every strand, and that way I can seal in some moisture, because that is definitely such an important key when you're going to be doing a protective style. You want your natural hair to be moisturized. And I'm just going to comb that through, and then I'm going to do a 2-strand twist, and then I'm going to finish out the rest of my hair, and I will show you how juicy my twists look at the end. Just wait, because whew, they look good. So here is what the finished result looks like. These twists are super moisturized, very juicy, and the texture is bomb. I honestly didn't even want to style my hair, but y'all are gonna see in just a second that it came out so good. And if you guys wanna see that video, it will be up soon. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.